Mughal Empire, Muslim dynasty of Turkic-Mongol origin that ruled most of northern India from the early 16th to the mid-18th century. After that time, it continued to exist as a considerably reduced and increasingly powerless entity until the mid-19th century. The Mughal dynasty was notable for its more than 2 centuries of effective rule over much of India, for the ability for its rulers who throughout 7 generations maintained a record of unusual talent, and for its administrative organization. A further distinction was the attempt of the Mughals, who were Muslims, to integrate Hindus and Muslims into a united Indian state. Their dynasty was founded by a Chagatai Turkic prince named Babur, who was descended from the Turkic conqueror Temur on his father's side and from Chagatai, second son of the Mongol ruler Genghis Khan or Genghis Khan on his mother's side. Babur's father Umar Sheikh Mirza ruled the small principality of Fergana to the north of the Hindu Kushan mountain range. Babur inherited the principality at a young age in 1494. In 1504, he conquered Kabul and Ghazni and established himself there. In 1511, he captured Samarkand only to realize that with the formidable Safavid dynasty in the Iran and the Uzbeks in Central Asia, he should rather turn to the southeast toward India to have an empire of his own. As a Timurid, Babur had an eye on the Punjab, part of which had been Temur's possession. He made several excursions in the tribal habitats there. Between 1519 and 1524, when he invaded Bhera, Sialkot, and Lahore, he showed his definite intention to conquer Hindustan, where the political scene favored his adventure. Having secured the Punjab, Babur advanced toward Delhi, garnering support from many Delhi nobles. He routed two advanced troop contingents of Ibrahim Lodi, Delhi's Sultan, and met the Sultan's main army at the First Battle of Panipat. By April 1526, he was in control of Delhi and Agra and had the keys to conquer Hindustan. The Rajput Confederacy, however, under Rana Sanga of Mewar, threatened to revive their power in northern India. Babur led an expedition against the Rana and crushed the Rana's forces at the Khanwa.